Oh yeah, he's going for a playback up here. Let's see. Sorry for the camera angle, guys. I've got the leash on the tape just to keep the speed going. Yeah! Let him go, Paula. Because then I'm not even chill. Oh, I can feel it bogging now. Come on. Wee! Keep it going. Come on, Dave! Power, power, power! Keep them in touch. So it's doing alright, isn't it, guys? I've only just launched the engine in and tried jetting it, but that's it. I'm actually out playing about. It's nice to think when you've got something to have a play with and have a mess about with on the road at the same time. As long as they don't come up and scare me again. Don't come up and scare me! Ooh, the bumps are real. So he's gonna bolt for it again, isn't he, as soon as he gets onto that zone to try and preempt his bolt. There we go. These bumps are for real, man. Keep hitting them like a good one. Look at this fucking Volvo. What a cunt. There's a little wanker sign there. Nice reservoirs here, there's some lovely carping fish in there. Oh, you've got all that power, mate. Are you going for it? Ah! It is me! Hello! It's me! I'm on a Revigo, little monkey scooter, you see. Haha! Revigo. Oh, pick up the seat, let's go. Ah. Let's do it. Forget him. Oh, he's not. Oh, you bugger. Let me pass. Again the slip speed. There's days where I would have gone for that. But I'm camera up. You know what I mean? Gotta try and think of others as well as my own safety. Look at him looking, why are you looking now? To go round on a bloody stupid corner. Damn you! Back at it again with the stupid corners. Come on, go. Oh, we're gonna do one. Lovely, we're in. Dodgy. On the roof. Right. He's trying to shake me again. Wait, take off. out. You get it while nobody goes. Into the double whites. You know, there's other people that do that. End up bloody dead if you do. This isn't nice, sure. I don't know if to go back across it. I just go up and down, up and down, up and down, and do it all the time. I'm trying to get back in front of it. At the last minute, oh yes, don't mess with me. Go on, Scooter, let's go! Don't let it go! Really? Go on, Scooter! Power! Confidence growing. Hitting corners faster. Back into Belmont. Not bad for a Ribbon Go, is it, mate? Well, bit of a fun adventure there, nonetheless. He's just been for a nice turtle out up there and back. Bandit 1200 as well, so I was keeping up with the 1200. Well, I don't think it was on in it particularly, but he must have tried something, because when you start being owned off an old Rev and Go, try and get somewhere with it, don't you? It would be nice to stop and have an after with him and sort of see what speed he were hitting. It gives me a baseline for me. Baseline. What's up? Mid-range I've got. So I just heard it bog down a bit there again at a certain throttle level. It's not liking full throttle. No, Captain! I need more power! I gotta give it more power, Captain! Scotty! I need more fucking power! Yeah, I've got issues. So guys, he's still watching. And you'll must have been laughing at the desync between the two cameras. But hopefully that'll be cut out all that. Do some heavy duty work that res. Not often you get to have a look into the older depths of it. The old depths of the res. So my plans for this evening, I'm going to do a bit of editing, drink a few beers, I may even go out for a pint, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I will, maybe I won't. Ooh, motherfuckers, what you all doing?